Hello there, namaste. Ready to start this day 3 with me? I hope you are, and I hope you're having fun, and I hope this is as life-changing for you as it is for me. So today we're gonna do relaxing meditation. We're gonna relax all the parts of our body. I will guide and will follow. So for this meditation, you could either do this on your bed because we will be laying down, or you could do it on a mat, or if you're in a park and you want to just lay down and ground yourself, that is also okay. That is what I'm choosing to do today. So there's a bee running around. 10 minutes. Okay. Let's focus on relaxing. Relax your forehead. Relax the space between your eyebrows. Relax your eyes. Relax your face. Relax your shoulders. Your hands on the ground, open like that. Now bring your shoulders up as high as you can. Hold it for one breath. And when you're ready to release, slowly release your shoulders with your breath. Bring your hands forward. Shake your hands. Bring them back to the ground. Relax your neck. Turn your head clockwise and then anti-clockwise. Slowly. And when you're done, bring your head down and let it hang. Make sure to breathe heavy. Do long breaths. We're not in a rush here. We just want to calm ourselves down and be in this present moment. So let's focus on that. Another breath here. Bring yourself back up. Release. Exhale from your mouth. Relax your legs. Open up and relax. Do whatever that feels good to you. This grass feels so comfortable. Like I can actually sleep here. Well, that's the kind of grass I was looking for today's practice. So let's lay down. Relax your hands by your side. Lift your back a little bit. Bring it back down. Do the same thing with your hips. Bring it up. Bring it down. Your legs too. Bring them up. Bring them down. And just relax. We're going to start all over again with our body, relaxing all our body. Relax your forehead. Relax your eyebrows. Relax your eyes. Relax all your facial muscles. Relax your shoulders. Relax your hands. Relax your breathing. Relax your thoughts and your emotions. Focus on your breath. Bring your hands straight by your shoulder and let it relax. Let your shoulders, your arms, your hands, your fingers relax like you're in a deep sleep. Think of yourself relaxing. Think that you're getting all the relaxation that you've been looking for. That you found it. You found this moment for you. Not just found it, you created this moment for you. Thank yourself for being here. Thank yourself for choosing this peace, this calmness. Thank yourself for being here. Thank yourself for being alive. I don't know what it is, but I feel something crawling up my arms. There are ants crawling up my arms. It's okay, they're not gonna bite. They know. They can feel what you're feeling. And right now, if you're feeling relaxed, that's what they're gonna feel. They're not gonna feel like you wanna attack them if that's what you don't wanna do. They'll just walk on you or walk over you. I needed this. And I'm so glad I did this, and I hope that it was just as beneficial for you as it was for me. And again, thank you so much for being here, for sharing this moment with me. I'm definitely glad to be sharing this moment with you. Thank you. Namaste. Until next time. Okay, so let's see what we have for our today's practice. Self-compassion is self-connection. When we think of connection, we often think of something or someone else. It is rare that the word connection leaves us thinking about ourselves. Often when we are longing to connect with another person, what we are really craving is a deeper and more intimate connection with ourselves. When was the last time you felt intimate with yourself? How about the last time you spent really trying to get to know yourself? Are you always looking outside of yourself to find yourself? It is not easy to turn towards yourself when you have believed for so long that the intimacy you have been longing for is outside of you rather than inside of you. Self-compassion allows you to gently come back in and get to know yourself once again. Today, I am turning back to myself. So for practice, tuning in to turn back to myself. One of the ways we begin to develop this self-connection is by slowing down to take the time necessary to do so. Take a comfortable seat, and this time make it extra comfortable by using pillows to support your body, maybe behind your back, under your feet or legs, and under your arms and hands, however you feel comfortable. Feel the comfort provided by this extra care, and know that in taking this time to support your body, you are taking the first steps in welcoming yourself back. Close your eyes and attend to the slowing down of your breath as you concentrate on the gentle supports, allowing your body to be here right now. There is nothing else to do but notice the support and your breath welcoming you back. And that will be all for today. Thank you so much for joining me. Until next time.